व्हाट्सअप, वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। येस, न्यू बैकग्राउंड। आई थॉट कि थोड़ा सा बैकग्राउंड चेंज कर लिया करूँ मैं। एनीवे, सो आई हैव शॉप्ड क्वाइट अ लॉट फ्रॉम नायका। लेट मी जस्ट शो यू। ओके, इतना सारा बॉक्स है, उसके बाद इतना सारा बॉक्स है, बिकॉज नायका वॉज रनिंग देयर ह्यूज सेल। आई थिंक इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग दैट इज हॉट पिंक सेल, जहाँ पर लाइक there are some amazing brands like Flower Beauty and all that was like 50% discount pay, and I went crazy a lot. And this time I mostly shopped like makeup products because you know that I am a skincare junk, but यार मैं एक ही बार में बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप खरीदती हूँ. So yeah, I have shopped quite a lot, and like 90% things are very new which I haven't tried before. Like brands बहुत new है जो कि मैंने पहले कभी try नहीं किया है, and I'm very excited to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I have only 3 skincare products, so I'm going to wrap up quickly that. So first it has to be a sunscreen because oh my god, you need a sunscreen baby, and this is La Shield SPF 40 PA++ UVA and UVB sunscreen, and this is one of the most popular and best sunscreen, and let me just tell you that I'm obsessed and hooked with this product because it's not a tinted. That's the thing I love the most. Secondly, it's a gel based, so it will not give you stickiness or sweat at all, and I am a hell oily skin girl, so I need something which is gel based. Even if you have dry skin, you're going to love it as the consistency is too good. Anyways, next move on to this which I have shopped. This is a eye cream, not eye cream, this is eye gel, and this is from Bella Vita Organic, and it's their eye lift. I haven't tried yet, and so I can't tell you. It's a gel based product, and I'm very excited, and it's not expensive also. It's 325, but I got this discount पे obviously because बहुत ज़्यादा सेल चल रहा था. Next move on to lip balm because girl, you need lip balm, like thousands of lip balm you need at least. So I have shopped this. This is Lakme Lip Love, and let me just tell you, it was only for 98 rupees, and you can't get itna zyada cheap I think, and I haven't tried it. Lakme lip balms are really good, and it's, you can see it's like it has like a little bit of pinky or reddish tint, and it smells divine because it has beautiful strawberry ka mango ka ek mixture smell है, and I love it. Now next move on to makeup, and I'm very excited to show you my new makeup collection. So first, when it comes to makeup, it's foundation. So I have shopped this. This is K Beauty foundation, which is one of their most popular product I believe, and you guys know that it's medium to sheer coverage ये देता है, and I love that kind of a foundation. The way she has designed is outstanding. You can't went wrong with your foundation shade, trust me, क्योंकि मीडियम के ऊपर she has separated in 3 different categories. हर एक फाउंडेशन शेड के ऊपर 3 कैटेगरी है. Y for yellow, I think P for pink और something nude, I can't remember, but क्योंकि मेरा अंडरटोन येलो है, so definitely मैं येलो ही ट्राई करूँगी. So एक एक फाउंडेशन शेड के ऊपर उन्होंने 3 कैटेगरी डिवाइड किया है, and I completely love this. So my shade is medium, like lightish to medium, and yellow undertone, and the shade like look at this, ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरी स्किन टोन देख के ये बनाया गया है, and I love it. I haven't tried yet, but yeah, I'm very excited to try this. Okay, so next move on to color corrector, जो कि मुझे फाउंडेशन के पहले दिखाना चाहिए था. So I haven't tried any color corrector before. So this is their Nykaa Insta Blur color correcting stick, and it was on sale, like huge sale, and this is, you can see that it's a green color corrector. So it's specially to hide your acne prone area, so that's why I choose green color corrector. Okay, so next move on to concealer because after foundation you are going to use a concealer. So for that I choose this one. This is Swiss Beauty liquid concealer, and it's extremely popular, and this shade is little lighter than my skin tone, and I purposely chose this one to highlight my under eye. And I have heard so many good reviews about this product, like Shreya Jain, Malvika Sitlani, and इवन लाइक बहुत पॉपुलर यूट्यूबर्स ने भी ये बोला है दैट इट्स अमेजिंग कंसीलर. सो या डेफिनेटली आई नीड टू ट्राई दिस. इवन शाई स्टाइल ने भी बोला है दैट इट्स अमेजिंग. सो उनके बातें सुन के ऑनेस्टली मैंने ये खरीदा है, एंड या आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. एंड नेक्स्ट मूव ऑन टू पाउडर बिकॉज यू हैव टू सेट योर मेकअप. सो फॉर दैट आई चूज दिस वन. दिस इज मिस क्लेयर ब्लूमिंग फेस पाउडर, एंड लुक एट द मिरर. आई मीन what, it's absolutely absolutely a mirror. You can totally look into this and you can do your full face of makeup. And this is in the shade translucent. It means that इसमें कोई कलर नहीं है. They are all powders are basically translucent. I don't know why 1 2 3 नंबर है, इसका कोई कलर नहीं है. And oh my god, this powder is outstanding. I have used this and not to set my makeup, just to like एक touch up करने के लिए, and it was looking outstanding. Anyways, next move on to face. complete हो गया है. Now next move on to eye. So I have some beautiful products for eyes honestly. So first let me just show you this. This is a green kajal and this is from again Miss Claire and it was for only 55 rupees I guess. And the pigmentation, just hold tight and look at the pigmentation. like just मैं एक ही stroke कर दूँगी. I mean, what is this? How can you make this beautiful gorgeous? And look at the shine. Yeah, it's a shiny green kajal. I love it. I mean, एक ही मैंने स्ट्रोक काटा है. एंड लुक एट द पिगमेंटेशन गाइज. आई मीन हाउ कैन मिस क्लेयर मेक सच अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट्स इतने कम प्राइस में? आई सीरियसली डोंट नो. यू गाइज नो दैट मिस क्लेयर आईब्राउ पेंसिल, मिस क्लेयर लिप लाइनर आर जस्ट माई favorite, hands down favorite. And next move on to this. I mean, I told you last Nykaa haul पे I told you that मैंने तब oh honey I think आई शेडो खरीदा था निकाके से. And I told you that I'm gonna buy their other eyeshadow palettes too. So yeah, this time मैंने ये खरीदा है. Next time I will buy the blue one. So this is their Lucky Charm and like look at the colors. I mean what? And yeah, again it's a dupe of Huda and Colourpop का वो उसका I think pastel green color का ये dupe है. and all the colors and the pigmentations are top notch. कौन सा वाला मैं swatch करूँ? I think let me just swatch this one because it's like calling my name. And yeah, now 1 2 and can you see it? I love it. Nikake, again Nikake also the brand which makes outstanding product but really very inexpensive. And next move, okay, so next move on to mascara. So for that I bought this one. This is Nykaa Like It Long. This is basically their lengthening mascara. I don't love like volumizing mascara. I don't know why it actually clumps my lashes and I don't like it. And this mascara is, I have heard so many good reviews about it and I was so excited to try this. Okay, so next move on to blush. So for that I'm very excited to show this product to you guys. This is Flower Beauty blush. I mean what? I was eyeing on this product for such a long time, but yeah, this time I got this 50% discount. Can you believe it? And I'm not going to open it, like packaging में अभी open नहीं करूँगी, but look at the design. I mean what? It has a slight scent, not like very hard, but a beautiful like sweet smell. And yeah, I'm very excited to try this one. And next move on to lip gloss. So for that I chose this one. This is ELF Cosmetics Lip Plumping Lip Gloss and I have applied this. And this is basically a purely transparent lip gloss. So कोई भी लिपस्टिक के ऊपर अगर आप ये लगाते हो तो it will give you like a juicy lip. क्योंकि I have lip gloss too and both are in pink or red shade. And sometimes if you need nude lipstick you can't wear that kind of a lip gloss, otherwise वो pink पे transfer होता है. So that's why I bought this because the color is such a unique and it said that it will plump up your lips, but honestly it will not. क्योंकि after using it you कैन फील अ टिंगलिंग इफेक्ट जो कि लिप प्लम्पिंग जेल पे होता है. बट जब वो लाइक जो टिंगलिंग इफेक्ट जब खत्म हो जाएगा यू कांट इवन सी एनी डिफरेंस ऑन योर लिप्स. एंड ऑनेस्टली मैंने बस लिप प्लम्पिंग के लिए नहीं खरीदा है, सो आई एम नॉट माइंडिंग अबाउट दैट क्योंकि आई वॉन्ट दिस कलर एज अ लिप ग्लॉस बिकॉज आई एम हैप्पी विथ माई लिप्स. आई लव माई लिप्स. So if you are buying these to plump up your lips too, you are not going to see any difference girl. So yeah, it's a beautiful lip gloss, beautiful rich and luxurious lip gloss. Last I have two products which is nail paint. And yeah, first this is Nykaa nail paint and you can see that it's the like a cherry color. And lastly I bought this Swiss Beauty beautiful yellow color nail paint. And yeah, I haven't tried these both so I can't tell you. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed these. Don't forget to comment down below कि आपका कौन सा वाला सबसे ज़्यादा फेवरेट है. ऑनेस्टली मेरा तो बहुत ज़्यादा फेवरेट है वो K Beauty का फाउंडेशन because I am so excited to try this. So anyway, see you guys on my next video, and if you love this video, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. So see you guys on my next video. Till then, bye bye.